guys, what's up? It's your girl Glam Baby, and today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I did these two pigtails, which is so gorgeous, by the way. And the hair that I was using was the Brazilian Deep by Beauty Elements Realistic, 100% premium natural handmade. This is it right here. And yeah, these are just so cute. They're cute, okay? And as you can see, I will be filming outside. I haven't made an outside video since like last year. Oh, how I miss the people looking at me crazy. But and yes, I'm on Craig porch from Friday. Anyways, let's get into the video. Okay guys, my hair is freshly washed and it is also cut into a bob, so that's why it looks a little crazy. And those are the pocket hair that I'm going to be using. And first I'm going to just start by parting it in to a zigzag parting. And also I'm going to insert a code in the screen and put it in my description box, where you can get 15% off your purchase at Zaffo. So if you want some money off, a cute bathing suit, or some cute sets, just use the code. And a little side note, I'm also going to be putting a lot of gel and pump it up spritz, because as I mentioned, my hair is cut into a bob, so the back is short. Okay, I'm gonna be fighting with the wind to just comb out my hair and just brush down my adult hairs, not baby hairs but adult hairs. And you see me putting a lot of gel on it to hold it down. And also a little side note, you don't want to pull these ponytails too tight, because I made that mistake and now in the middle of my head is so freaking raw and it hurts so bad. But the style is cute, so I'm not gonna loose it down. Just continue to put it up in one and brush it up. And just put it in these little buns. And now I'm gonna just be slicking down my edges, which, as I must mention, is very time consuming and my hoops keep getting in the way. You know what they say, the bigger the hoop, the bigger the let me not. This can take forever, see. But it hides my big forehead, so next I'm gonna just be spraying it with some pumped up spritz. I did one bundle off camera to see how I wanted to wrap it. And these packs come with 2 bundles in it, so I use a total of 4 bundles in my hair, 2 on each side. And I am going to be doubling up the wefts. I'm going to take the piece and wrap it around the base of the little bun, followed by wrapping the wefts around it. It's pretty self-explanatory, just watch what I'm doing. And I wanted it to be thick and not thin, so that is why I use the 2 bundles. And did I mention, guys, this hair is so freaking soft. And by the way, a lot of people were looking at me crazy. They're passing their cars, but I don't care. Next I'm gonna just be taking that piece and just wrapping it around, make it look like a hair scrunchie, and bobby pin it down. And that's basically it for this hairstyle. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more weekly videos from yours truly.